Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our morning meeting for Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Miss Lanzafame and I discussed changing some things up. So moving forward, we will continue to have our virtual morning meetings. Sometimes Miss Lanzafame will be recording the videos, and sometimes I will be recording the videos. So we're going to start our morning meeting just like we would if we were in school. We're going to start with a greeting. So good morning, Mahalia. Good morning, John Carlos. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Gabe. Good morning, Naela. Good morning, Ariel. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Christian. Good morning, Matthew. Good morning, AJ. Good morning, Cameron. Good morning, Savannah. Good morning, Lila. Good morning, Monet. Good morning, Charlie. Good morning, Christopher. Good morning, Obageli. Good morning, Suhaila. Good morning, Angela. Good morning, Corbin, or Captain Corbs, as you are otherwise known as. And good morning, Zach. And good morning, Miss Lanzafame. Let me just bring to your attention our morning meeting stream page, which is right here. This is where we will find the video. We'll also be posting a morning meeting share question. So today's share question, just like in our morning meeting, would be name a fun activity that you and your family have done during your time at home. So one of the fun activities that my family and I have done is to get some new chickens. So he's, or she, is the newest member of our family. I can't remember this one's name. They're all named after the girls in Fuller House because my daughter is obsessed with that show on Netflix. So far we have DJ, we have Michelle, Little Michelle, Stephanie, let me see, DJ, Stephanie, Michelle, and Little Michelle. That's 4. So I'll be taking more pictures as we acclimate the chickens to our backyard, and I'll share them with you in future morning meetings. So let's go over our work for today. Our work for today is on the Google Classwork section, and you'll see how it says Work for Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. You have the morning meeting share question, and after you respond once, you need to move on to your other work. So there's no repeat responding. I know some of you like to respond over and over again. But just like it is in morning meeting, we're only going to respond once. Then you'll either see Miss Lanzafame's reading assignments or my reading assignments, depending upon whose group you're in for reading. If you met with her for reading in school, then you'll see her work. If you met with me for reading in school, you'll see my work. Same thing goes for math. If you meet with Miss Lanzafame for math, then you'll see her work. If you meet with me for math, you'll see my work. Everybody sees science. Science is important today because we have to set up our own BrainPop accounts. So please make sure you follow the directions. I've included a video for you to follow in case you get confused. All of these assignments are due today, plus we have also given you a chance to finish up some other assignments that you may not have gotten done. We truly miss you guys. We truly miss being in classrooms with you. We miss arguing with Corbin, although we have done some of that on the email. We miss Zachary and Cameron and their laughing during lessons. We miss Charlie and Monet showing us how much they are rock stars. And we miss everybody else's personalities. And we hope to come back soon. If you have any trouble with any assignments, please email us at our emails. Be safe and enjoy the rest of your day.